said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mother. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mother. I'm a dog, I'm a mother. I can smoke no red, be so cold in my blood, yeah. I see past pretty faces so.
Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I am showing you guys a beautiful unit by Sunber hair. Here is their packaging. I'm always obsessed with their packaging. The color of their packaging is just so pretty, so vibrant. Sunber never starts me wrong. I've always gotten good quality hair for them, so I am very excited to be showing you guys another unit from them. And as you guys can see, my setup is a bit different. As you guys know, some of you guys know that I am not home. I am in Chicago with family right now, so I am back home in Chicago. Work still gotta get done, okay? So that's why my setup is different, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So anyway, I like to get right into the video. I don't like to talk too much. So you will receive an HD wig cap. You also receive a brush for your baby hairs. You'll also receive a band for your lace, okay? You'll also receive some lace tape for the lace. This is their Bye Bye Knots lace tape. This is perfect for glueless wigs. I may or may not use it for this video. I'm still like getting the hang of lace tape, but I can definitely say they work, okay? And of course, the star of the show, okay? So let's get started on this hair. This unit is right out of the packaging. I have not touched it. Freshly out. Okay, right out of the packaging, you guys, I can see that it's pre-plucked. The knots are very small, which gives nice natural hairline. Like, look how good that looks. It definitely comes with some pre-baby hairs, so I am thankful for that because I don't have to cut my own baby hairs. It's basically already pre-made. As you guys can see, that that hairline looks very realistic. It comes in a nice middle part for you, ready to go and wear. I'm really excited and I'm so impressed. Like, it looks so good. I already know this is not gonna take me no time. So this is the whole construction of the unit. This is a 7x5 lace. You do get a lot of room of lace, a lot of space to part as well. I believe this lace stops right before your sideburns begin. I will show you guys that once I have the wig on. I do want to show you guys what it looks like skin to lace. So on the back of my hand, skin to lace together, it definitely looks like it's going to melt really good. I also like the fact that the lace is already cut too. I forgot to say that the lace is cut, so you don't have to even worry about cutting lace. Like, oh my gosh, everything is done for you. So that is all of the lace that you do get. You also receive, okay, this is something new. I'm used to like the thick bands, okay? This right here is a thinner band. I feel like this is gonna give a much better comfort. So I think I like this because I'm not gonna lie, the adjustable bands that they have been doing, you know, I wish I had a wig to show you guys, but those wigs are a bit thicker. This one is a bit thinner. As you guys can see, it's way thinner. It still comes with that adjustability so that you can adjust it for your liking, for, you know, how tight you want it to be and things like that. So that's basically what I just did there. And it's stretchy and comfortable still, but I think I'm gonna like this a bit better because sometimes that thick band can sometimes be uncomfortable right around that ear. So I'm excited to try this on and see what this feels like. So in the back here, you do get your combs in the bag. It also comes with this drawstring in the back, which gives you that security 360 all the way around. Okay, so that's a plus. So I love that this unit comes with that, especially for it being a glueless wig. So you have that double security that you need. And this also helps for doing like updos and ponytails, which I am going to show you guys. But let's get into trying this hair on. This is their Waterwave texture. Super soft, straight out of the packaging. Yes, I like this thin band. I like that thin band so much better. It's so much more comfortable. Not gonna lie. I really hope that they continue doing this because the thickness of that band be so sometimes uncomfortable. Sometimes, not all the time. But other than that, I love how this feels. It's laying down perfectly without it bulking up. It lays down really smooth and flat right on all across the hairline. There's no pokiness or anything poking out, so that's a plus. Like I said, this is glueless. This is no glue. No glue. Look how good that lays down right out of the box. Like, wow. And then you guys see the baby hairs, honey. The baby hairs is definitely looking good. I am going to adjust it, of course, to my liking and lay it down with some edge control. This is where the lace stops, okay? And this is where, like I said, told you guys, this is where the lace stops right before your sideburns begin. You could also still, you know, part it where you want to part it. Look at that. Look at that. So if I were to do a deep side part, I can. And it goes all the way back. So I like how the parting space is long, which gives a realistic look. So you can literally part it wherever you want and you don't have to pluck. So that's a plus for me. I feel like this is a very great high quality wig. So they did definitely put a lot of good thought into it, which lets me know that they actually care. As far as glue, I'm not going to use any glue, but what I would do is I will definitely suggest using some type of like holding spray if you want some type of hold or some type of like feel of security, because you know sometimes we're used to using glue. So I'll just use some holding spray, which is quick and easy, or you can use, this is really good, you can find it at your local beauty supply store. So basically it is lace melting spray, and this is just holding spray. So whichever one is good. I think these are both by the same brand. These are really good to use. I'm going to use my spray bottle, which has water in it. So I am going to use product on this hair so you guys can see that you can use product on the hair. I'm going to wet it with water, and I'm also going to use a little bit of my mousse. So don't be scared of using product. You can use product with the hair. So I'm going to do all of that really quick. You guys can watch, and then I'm going to come back and give you my final thoughts on everything.
I got your trust in, but I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's so rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mother. She said take your time, what's so rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. No crib talking come through, it's time to break it in. 32 level pants size, cause I'm trying breaking it in. New condo, second name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, but I let my guard down for you. Said I put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart.
Side is wet and then this side is dry. I want you guys to see the difference of both textures. Same texture, just one side is wet, one side is dry.
I got your trust in, but I let my guard down for you. Said I put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's so rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mother. She said take your time, what's so rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. No crib talking come through, it's time to break it in. 32 level pants size, cause I'm trying.
Gosh, look how good this lace looks. No glue, just a little spray. Oh my gosh, it even looks 10 times more better. So unfortunately, I ended up losing a clip while I was talking and showing the hair. So here I am doing a voiceover. I left off saying that I love the hair. The quality is purely amazing. I definitely recommend purchasing this hair. I definitely feel like it's for every day. It's for beginners. It's also good for if you're in college, if you're waking up early. Back to school is starting, so this is great for that. You don't have to worry about curling your hair, flat ironing your hair, a little bit of mousse, a little bit of water, and you're on the go. And you don't have to use any glue, just a little bit of spray if you like, and that's about it. Other than that, the hair is ready for you to wear. You don't have to cut, pluck, tweeze, or anything like that. The baby hairs is already done for you too as well. So what more could you ask for? Like, this was the most easiest, quickest way I could throw on a wig and go. This is definitely going to be my baby for my errands and just all of the above. So let me know what you baby dolls think down below. I'll definitely have the link in my bio. Make sure you click that link and purchase. Shout out to Sunber Hair for another beautiful quality wig. Until next time, I'll see baby dolls in my next video. Mwah.